Congress!
Down, down!
Congress!
Down, down!
Congress!
We are not Chinese!
Yes, we are not
We are Indian.
We are Indian!
Ka BJP Meghalaya haka khandai tarik ujamang kalalum hakmat ka office trik kam jongka ban Pynrem jur ya ka jingkran jong wei ni Nongialam ka Congress usam pitroda ubala penya sriye meki brio ka than North East kum ki jat ban riu China. Haba kran chigilat pathai Khubor unong aiktin ka BJP ba Maria Hom Kharkrang uloong ba ka jingkran jong u pitroda kalakta ya ka jingsngau jong kinong India bat kalong ru kumba pet Shillong khmat ya ka jat ban riu ka ni ka than. Uloong ka BJP Meghalaya kan sapha jing tho sa Delhi ban penpau ya ka jing persha halor kan ni ka jing keren jong ute Nongialam ka Congress. Kumban pen kan mau ka Congress kala kan tait ya ka jing kan tho jong usam pitroda ubala mi no artat na ka seng Congress hadien ba ula kren bat yanu jor ya ki jat ben riu ka dong lam mi ngi kum ki breu na ri China.
We condemn the racist statement given by
Samla!
down, down.
Congress!
Down, down.
Congress!
We have condemned the outrageous and the shameful and the racist remarks made by Sam Pedroda, who happens to be the advisor of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And in fact, right from earlier times also, people from Northeast have taken a very serious view whenever they have been, akin to the Chinese. And here's a person who is an advisor to the senior member of the Congress party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Sam Pedroda. He has termed that the Northeast people looks like Chinese. We are not Chinese, we are Indians. We are Indians by blood and will continue to remain Indians.
But sir, Congress is given to his personal opinion. This is not Congress opinion.
That is for Congress to clarify. Okay, we take him as to be an advisor of Rahul Gandhi. That's for the Congress to clarify. Okay. Anyway, the second part I would like to share with you that we from the state BJP, we are approaching the Chief Minister officially in writing that government should consider to bring Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang as a new DGP of the state. And in fact, we had wanted to meet the Chief Minister a couple of days back, but since he was out of station, so we will be able to meet him only on Monday. And we will also hand over to the Chief Minister an official letter requesting the government to consider to bring Ida Shisha Nongrang as a new DGP of the state. And we have various reasons why she'll be the best person to lead the police force of Meghalaya.
Thank you.
Kan ni mentan pelak dia kan?
Nak keren dah kasi. Tidak keren kita.
Lagi mentah kasi lumlang hangne po BJP office, men Pynrem jor ye kajing keren jong Sam Pedroda, upo punya sri mingi ki Briona North East but ki Chinese. Ngi kon pen kan mau yu ba ngim dei ki Chinese, ngi dei ki Indians, but ngin long Indian by blood, hado bakut. De kajing keren kajungu kalong very racist, but ngi condemn ya kan kajing keren jungu, but kalong ba pla bu de brio bala nang la start bala de we mo champang tandre apa poi kum gini ki ida klam su tho kum nu ta ya ka feelings but ka jing smo ko jingi ki brio na po North East man penia sre mengi but ki brio na po China
Ang yu ipat nagle jo Congress ka ang ba kani ka de jingkran jong usimet kam de jong kasen.
The thing is menta is a senior functionary jong Congress menta ke ibu kran mu umla bun shong ba ka de personal ya ka ba ukran ka ba pisu ha pinong bu shimi ko official line ra pim su ha de pi ong no ba ka de ka personal yu jung kata ka shong Congress party ban clarify kata ngim dan enging shimba ude functionary jong Congress but ke ibu kran ru ukran on behalf of the party.
Sana ki yada usragi ki member jumpi paki poi duna bhasha kene ka protest jumpi mtak si.
Am kam dei kata namar balai ngi dang suyo jing tip mene akasi but bon kila ada commit pile de bon ki jing trai hi and ki district ki chele te kam dei kata namar balai ba mentar bon me medan chene the thing is
kene ka jing condemn jumpi kan kod bitang tak sine phi phin pha da ka jing tho ru nai
am ngin ai ka jing thoru kata kin le for central leadership
shono binai
for Delhi in petip sekiru bangi la pelong ni kena demonstration pen nomor mending mingi le atam ngi tu ki cakap North East tu ki le kunju
Tu second part.